Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Newegg credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Newegg credit card online, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the search box, type in Newegg credit card login. Press enter on your keyboard and then on the next page where you can see the search results, click on this first link that says Newegg manage account or apply my Synchrony. Once you give it a click, you'll be able to end up in this page. Click the login button at the top right hand corner, and since your Newegg credit card is issued by Synchrony, you need to type in your information in this customer service page of Synchrony. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box associated with the account and head over to the next field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click this box that says remember username, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link that says I forgot my username or password respectively in order to find out your credentials. After entering your credential, click the login button and you'll be able to get access to your Newegg credit card online. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.